So today we are going to work on the soffit here, or whatever this is, a little more soffit, yeah, and stuff. We're going to work on that today. You can see Sam's bathing suit hanging there because the other day she was swimming in her pool. See, we have two pools over here. One was for the dogs, but they don't ever go in it. That one was supposed to be for the dogs, one was for her, but she gets to use both.
You had a visitor dog that liked it?
Yeah, we had friends come up and visit us, and their dog went in it with Sam. It was so stinking cute. They had a 5-year-old lab, and our dogs loved her. Ben barked at her a lot, didn't you, Ben? Hey, Ben. See, he's in the sand pit. So Sam was in her pools, and then coming out of her pool soaking wet and rolling in the sand pit. And so her bathing suit is like a complete mess and needs to be washed. But she has like 3 of them, so we're in luck. Rosie's under the stairs there. They're my blueberry picking helpers. They're so good at helping because they lead me right to the bushes because they go and eat as fast as possible.
Looks like there's bear poop around here.
Yeah,
theirs.
Yeah, I actually thought it was a bear. I was like, oh my goodness, I think a bear has been right out by their cage, and then I realized it was his or her poop. They've just been eating so many berries lately because we've been out picking them. And that grunt that Jeremy made was super good. You'll see a picture of it here. So we ate that, and I went and picked a little bit more this morning. We want to start canning some so we can have it ready for Christmas time and make some blueberry pies from our fresh blueberries. So it'd be pretty cool. Anyway, now you can watch us work. We've had a lot of rain lately. Thunderstorms, lightning, thunder, and rain for days. It's supposed to do it all week, I think, again. That's always nice. All right, it's gonna get loud.
Alright, so that there's the boxer turn I was talking about. So we just cut an angle piece here. So that would come flush there, so you can bring the soffit the whole way. And then put a 2x4 right on top of the F trim on the other side, so it would come out here. And then attach it together and just created a box so you could run the soffit the whole way out. And that way there, when this one come down here, you can just put flashing up here, and then it'll all box it in nicely.
I've already got it out, Mom.
So we are out picking blueberries all through the land here. Samantha and I. It's Sunday. Beautiful day. A little cloudy, a little rainy, but it's nice because it's not so stinking hot. So we drove the side-by-side up. We had to come through where the water is, where the beaver is and all that stuff, and way deep down there is where the house is. So our land runs 70 acres, right? But it's really long, so we're here, and all around us here is blueberries. All through back in the bushes is all blueberries. We have tons and tons of blueberries, so we've been picking them, and we're going to go home and bake some blueberry grunt later and bring some to Jeremy's sister in the hospital and just enjoy some ourselves. So we got the dogs. They love to come with us. They chase the side-by-side. They come with us everywhere on the land, and they're great to have around. They keep all the animals away, and they're just fun because they get to have some blueberries as well. So we shall get picking. Oh, here's some nice, there's lots of moose tracks up here. Let's see. Big moose tracks all around here. We need to become an outfitter for moose hunting and bear hunting, because boy, you'd catch one every season, that's for sure. Or get one, or shoot one, or whatever the word is I'm supposed to be using. Hey, Rosie! Rosie! Look at how big they're getting. They're getting so big, these pups. They're not even 5 months old. They will be this month, though. All right, let's get picking. You see them?
Hi. Bully.
Can you see all the blueberries here?
Yummy.
There's tons of them. It's awesome.
Alright, so now that we get that side sorted out, I got to cut this one as well now. Rip off this here piece of metal fascia and cut that flush too, so I can go straight along here like I did before. Obviously take out that insulation all up there so the air can flow up through, and do the exact same thing on this side. Build another box return, and then I'll go along here and we'll just go up here with the soffit up and down, and then I'll pick up some metal to do the metal up here. I'll have to take that dish down and then put it back on so it's not in the way, and then that will be the soffit. So I wanted to show you that box return. A couple people asked about it. That's it. So that's it. Pretty simple. Well, that's a short vid for today. Like, subscribe, hit the bell for notifications to be notified when we upload. I say like, subscribe, hit the bell. It just comes off. Rolls off the tongue so easy, you know. And yes, so if you could do that, if you want to do that, you can do that. It's free. I just wanted to show that box return. So it was basically just that piece of 2x4 and then an angle cut on there, and because we were able to do it this time this year, it's going to look nice and clean up the front there, and then I'll put all the metal fascia on there, and it'll clean it up nice. So yeah, so that's it for today. We'll see you in the next one, and thanks for coming along.